climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all right.
Hey Glam Squad, I hope you are enjoying watching me organizing the food for the pantry. Right now I am playing with the containers to see what will fit the best. After so many hours of hard work, I am so excited to show you guys the final makeover. But just in case if you forgot, let me remind you what the pantry used to look like.
I'm standing on the dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on.
On the top shelves, I have some alcohol up there. The small container contains some smaller bottle, bigger bottle on the stackable rack. Paper towels are up here, drink containers, white cleaning cloth, kitchen cloth, and some fancy napkins. And down on the second shelf, I have my spaghettis, all of my pastas. On this side, I have what I would call my baking goods, like my flours, sugar, stevia, marshmallow. And here I have my crusted almond, macadamia nuts, flaxseed, chia seeds, cinnamon sticks, and honey. The third shelf is my breakfast area, my cereals, my honey bunches. As you can see, the label in this one, it's a little bit crooked because it was my first one. I left it there so you guys can see it. But the rest of them looks pretty good. Honey bunches is one of our favorite cereal. Everybody eats this one. I have some special K cereal, crunch berries, and things like that. I like how the cereal is laying out. You see all the honey bunches together and the special K's and the crunch berries, and in the back here we have the crunch berries as well. If you guys can see that, there you go. But everything is sitting so nicely in the order from bigger containers to smaller. I think it's just perfect. Okay, so my protein powder, I'm missing the pea. It's not rotten, it's protein, so we gotta put that pea there. My oats, wheat pancake. We eat two types of pancake, regular pancake, which is this one over here, and my wheat pancake. My coffee, my caramel for my coffee, and sometimes I like putting a little bit of cinnamons on my coffee or my, it's not labeled, but this is cinnamon back there. And I love my lazy season as I can turn it around. Let me turn this around. My skinny syrup is in here. classic hazelnut syrup for my chocolate and stuff like that are here. And also I have my instant oatmeal. I'm the only one who eat this stuff here. And a little bit of baking goods, it's over there as well. On the fourth shelves, I have all of my snacks. You know, my drinks, my chips, juice for the kids. And back there, I made a little snack basket for my husband and I. Cashews is back there. This is some of our favorite snacks. Fruit snacks in this glass bowl. I have two separate areas for bread. I have this container for bread, but on the picture when I purchased the containers, I saw they have bread in there, so I wanted to try it out to see how it works having the bread in there. So I put some breads in there, and of course the peanut butter in here, and everyday condiments. We don't eat a lot of condiment other than hot sauce, ketchup, and barbecue sauce, and of course maple syrup, and some of this. I use two different things to label the containers. I use this Sharpie pen. I got it from Amazon. It is erasable with just a little bit of water. I use it on things that I know that are not permanent, such as things that I'm trying out, or if the container is not permanent. On items that are staple, I use the gold label. I love the gold label. It is very pretty. I think it adds a nice little touch of glam on the pantry. This is a label maker that I'm trying out. I will tell you guys about it in one of my upcoming videos. But it is a fantastic machine. I cannot wait to show it to you guys. Just in case if you missed the last video, this is what the containers look like. But if you want full details on anything in this room, please check out my last video where I talked about everything that was gonna be in this room. Okay, down here, what do we have? In this beautiful rose gold basket, I have some noodles. In the next basket, I have some apples and avocado. My teas are in here, masala tea, I love it. Back there, I have all of my condensed milk, carnation, that's what we use. And back there, I have apple cider vinegar and a can of tomato. These are all of my grains. So I have black eyed pea back there, brown rice, quinoa, sweet peas, lentils in the back. Okay, my popcorns, my fine cornmeal, bulgur, stuffing. Down here, I have my canned goods, including some of my coconut water. Kraft mac and cheese is on that shelf over here. On this basket here, I just have a lot of plastic wrap, Ziploc bag and wrap. These are organic soy milk for my son. And around here, I feel like I'm at the supermarket looking at this setup like that. And guys, I love these containers. I think they are super pretty and they were affordable as well. I purchased mine at Walmart. They were some of the most affordable containers that I saw. And you can also find them on Amazon, but as I mentioned, they're gonna be a little bit more expensive on Amazon. And they got the job done. They are super clear and I can see everything that's inside of them. I love these containers, you guys. They are super big. They can take up to 22 pounds of white rice. At the bottom of them, they have some wheels. I can just wheel them out, so this way I don't have to lift them up. And all I have to do, lift up the top and I'll be able to get my food. They came with these little containers, these measuring cups. I think they are worth it. I love them. Yeah, so my black beans, my cornmeal. Yeah, I know I'm from the Caribbean, so we eat a lot of these, or we just love to have them. My rice, same thing. They are from Amazon. Down here on the floor, I have 4 big baskets to keep extra plastic plates, plastic cups, toilet paper, and the fresh filters. Here I have some appliances with first aid kit. Okay, so this is what the bottom floor is looking at, and this is the other side. I'm gonna start up there. I have what I would call a miscellaneous basket where I have some more towels, sponges, and some other things. Going down, I have a little station where I keep my candles, the candles that I'm using at the moment. Okay, and some massage oil and lavender oil. And on the third shelf down there, I have my medicine box. On that tray, what I would call like a scented tray, I have some scented packet back there to make sure the pantry is smelling good. And of course, a warm spray and some scented oil. This little flashlight, I have it for over 11 years. I always keep it at hand for one day if I need it. Here I have my extra condiment like ketchup and barbecue sauce and ragu sauce, hot sauce. My potatoes are back there. Down here is where I keep my onions. All the way at the bottom is where I keep some extra plastic utensils. I thought I would add a little bit of Zam Zoom. You know how I do it. This Miwa branch, I got it from Burlington for $16. It is not for everyone, but it is for me. We'll see how long I'm gonna keep it there, but I love the element of surprise that it adds to the pantry. So last minute, I didn't like how the back was looking, so I added some flowers, some tulips that I got from Amazon in the back, and I think I really like it. This is the final look of the pantry. I really love it. It turns out much better than I expected. My entire family is excited. I'm hoping and praying it's gonna stay as organized as it is right now. Honestly, I don't see why it would not stay organized, because all of my foods, everything that we normally use daily is in there, and they have a home. My advice to you, if you try to organize your pantry, make sure you do that after grocery shopping. With that said, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my pantry update. As for me, I love it. I am so proud of myself. As I mentioned multiple times in the channel, organization is a struggle for me. I am so happy I'm getting it down one by one. A few months ago, I did my fridge organization. Please check it out. Link will be in the description box, along with all the other videos that are related to this video. Big welcome to all of my friends to the Glam Squad family. I upload Glam home decor and DIY videos. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Welcome back to all of my returning Glam Squad. We just reached 35,000 subscribers. I am so grateful for you all. Please, let's keep this family going by sharing this video with a friend or family member that you think this video might help out. I thank you for stopping by today. I love you always. Bye-bye.